Hey guys, I am here with Apple's new MacBook Air. It's the redesign we've been waiting years and years for, and it's right in this box. So I think we should take a look inside and see what we've got. Inside, pretty standard looking Apple packaging. This could be an Air, it could be a MacBook Pro, it could be a 12-inch MacBook, all sort of looks the same from the side. A little taper here, wider in the back and narrower in the front, tells us this is closer to the traditional Air look than, let's say, a MacBook Pro, which is a little more squared off. So I'm gonna take the box, turn it upside down like this, get my handy box cutter, and very, very carefully cut the plastic so we can open this up and see what's inside the box. This is it, the big moment, and everyone really copies this Apple packaging now for their high-end premium products. The very sparse white box with a tight lid that just sort of slides up, but you gotta kind of work it off a little bit. There we go. And of course, always some plastic to keep fingerprints off it until you're absolutely ready to open it up. And it looks like this is the space gray MacBook Air, so a different look than the normal silver you see everywhere. Not the gold version, that would have been cool to check out, but maybe we'll come back to that later. Looks and feels a lot more like a MacBook Air than you would think from the original photos and images and even the previews we saw earlier this week with Apple. It's definitely got a little bit of that rounded MacBook Air feel. Inside the box, pretty minimal. We've got a USB-C cable, USB-C on both ends, and we've got the familiar Apple Power brick. And again, this is the kind that has USB-C right there, so you can't use it for non-USB-C devices. The nice thing about USB-C is that you can use chargers from other laptops or other USB-C devices to charge your MacBook. It's one of the few things that is not terribly proprietary. Now, I'm going to take a fast peek here at the system itself. Let's pop it open. Nice. Oh, a little piece of paper right there. Now, the big difference here is obviously this big screen where the image goes much closer to the edge of the screen. You have that edge-to-edge glass, so it looks and feels a lot like a MacBook or a MacBook Pro. Obviously, big touchpad, flat butterfly-style keyboard, and not one, but two USB-C ports, a headphone jack, and pretty much nothing else. So if you want to plug anything else in, you're going to need a dongle or an adapter, or you may want to hang on to your classic MacBook Air if you want to plug in all your traditional USB and HDMI things. But you know what?
The main language. Press the return key.
This MacBook would really like me to set it up right now, and I can't wait, so I'm going to go do that. Thanks for watching this unboxing, and we will see you later.